Hello everyone and welcome to the channel for this very short video about what? About outdoor, about the track, about the winter that is finished, not almost finished, with this very strange climate. It's very warm, so we can say it's finished, it's over. No rain, no snow. This is a great problem, but they still do electric cars and build mega factory to do ecological electric cars. I think they just want to do a lot of money. This is my opinion. I have an old Subaru. I haven't bought any other. They haven't had to build a new car for me, and this is good for our earth. For sure, I don't like it, and I will never have an electric car that is not an RC electric car. But this is not what I want to say you today. This I wanted to say and to share with you since a long time. But now I'm filled up of this electric brainwashing. And okay, today I go to my countryside house, and it's some month I don't go there, and I want to see the condition of my truck. Hope not to find bad news, and now we go there and see. Comment, like and subscribe. Please, what? On my background? Oh yes, I want to show you. Here on my background there's my UDR. If you go on the channel you find my upgrades and some videos, very nice videos downstairs, so on. And now I have a project. I go for a very short vacation up to the mountains, into the mountains, Dolomites, and there's a bobsled track. I would like to go with this into the bobsled. I don't know if it will be possible because it's abandoned. Now they will make Olympic Games, Winter Olympic Games, and they rebuild that. I hope there's no bulldozers and so on. They are working, and I hope it's quite possible to run, because trees, pines, everything. So you will see it. This is an anticipation. This car is really fantastic. Back to our track. First days of March. I've cutted my hair and returned in the countryside to take a look to my truck. After a long winter, no snow, few water, very dry. Let's see the conditions. A big work is waiting for me. And this is it. Not too many damages. There's grass coming out everywhere. The soil is sandy, I should say, and here obviously it's quite. Here we have holes. I don't know if any bird or other kind of animal searching for something to eat. And now this is what I am doing, and the water draining from this horrible tree that give me a lot of work to take away all the leaves he lost during the year, but he makes shadow, and it's nice to have shadow on the truck. The drops, the water drops of the rain that follow down, make this horrible work. It's like the moon. But with modern cars, this is not a problem, because they are so powerful, they are so big, that this is, you see, this is just to give you a size. Che spariscono, vai. Okay, and now the first work is finished. I have, you see, it's not perfect, obviously, but the greatest part of the winter dirt is away, and now I want to rock roller. Okay, and now we have to kill this grass, and to kill this I have this, but I've made a mistake. I made the solution for the grass into the one of the insects. No problem, it was empty. Next time I have to change. So, and I have to put in pressure this one and pump a lot of time. This has to come out. Okay, it doesn't work very well. Okay, pressure, 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 pressure. Okay, no more pressure. Then we start spraying. The important thing is comment, like and subscribe, and not to reach the border of the track. Otherwise, this terrible, this is, I don't remember the name. Glyphosato, we call glyphosato, for perhaps in English you say glyphosate, I don't know, but this is very powerful. And if I spray right here on the line, it goes over and I lose the grass. So pay attention a little bit. Don't drink this. Okay, pressure. About 20. Okay. So, have you seen the condition of the track? The first works just to prepare to have a perfect surface for the modern cars that are so big, so powerful. This is a perfect track. I've shown you in the past my way to have a nice and well-maintained track. It's go with a very powerful car, make several turns.
keeping up all the soil. But this is what you have to do. Clean and kill the grass. You are a killer. So thank you very much for watching. Waiting for the summer with new vintage cars on this track that I love so much. Comment, like and subscribe. Thank you very much, and all the best to you. Ciao.